Realme C75X is almost here. It will be launched in Pakistan on April 14th, as the latest teaser from the company's official Facebook page confirms. It's scheduled for next week on Monday, and here's what you need to know about the Realme C75X before you make a purchase. The focus of this device is not the fastest chip or camera performance. It's for people who prefer durability and style over everything else. It's a small niche, but Realme targets a specific set of people with C75X who might appreciate the phone's IP69 durability or the coral pink design. It's built with an armor shell design, and SGS provides a military-grade drop resistance for the model. Another solid feature it offers at a budget price is the 5800 mAh battery and 45-watt fast-charging backup. Sadly, that's where all its benefits end. The positives start to fade away into the background when looking at the Realme 4G latest model's mediocre IPS display. That 67-inch LCD panel has a very disappointing typical brightness level of 500 nits, which will make the readability difficult under the sun or in well-lit conditions. Also, the display is only 720p HD plus resolution, which does not justify the phone's expected price tag. The Realme C75X has a punch hole cutout on top, but only with a 5-megapixel selfie camera, which is dubbed absolutely useless by some reviewers. It continues to cut corners in several other categories. We suspect the performance might be suboptimal on this new handset because it brings an outdated chipset. That slow processor will pose a challenge to the user experience. Helio G81 Ultra is an old 12nm platform, which is only serviceable for the most basic tasks. That SoC only allows eMMC 5.1 storage with slow read-write speeds. The 50-megapixel main camera and 16GB RAM sound great on paper, but the images taken from the sensor lack quality, and the virtually added 8GB RAM is considered an advertisement gimmick. All the details about the Realme C75X have been confirmed by the company, except the price. The C75X follows the earlier Realme C75 model and brings upgraded features. We suspect it will cost in the neighborhood of Rs 40,000 to Rs 45,000, but the real price tag might not unravel until the official launch on April 14th. Stay tuned for its debut in Pakistan next week.